Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of socket organizers to help you keep your tools in check. Whether you're tired of digging through a cluttered toolbox or just want to level up your workspace organization, I've got you covered. We're counting down the top 5 best socket organizers on the market, comparing their features, design, performance, and value. Stick around to find out which one takes the top spot. And don't forget to check the product links in the description below. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the AIUITI 6PCS Socket Organizer Tray Set. This product is designed to eliminate toolbox clutter and streamline your workflow. The set includes 6 trays, 3 for SAE sockets in red and 3 for metric sockets in black, making it easy to distinguish between the two. One standout feature is the clear size markings on each post, which help you quickly identify the socket you need. Plus, it's compatible with both deep and shallow sockets, giving you flexibility. In terms of design, the AIUITI trays are made from durable ABS plastic, which is resistant to oil and gas, and the extended base ensures your sockets stay securely in place. However, the trays are quite large, with a maximum peg height of 3.7 inches, meaning they may not fit in smaller tool drawers. They also feature mounting holes, allowing you to hang them on a workstation or wall if needed. While the AIUITI trays offer a solid organizational solution, they may not be ideal for those with limited space. They also lack magnetic functionality, which some users might prefer for added security. That said, they're a cost-effective option for anyone looking to organize a wide range of socket sizes. This set is best suited for DIYers or hobbyists who want a straightforward, no-frills solution to organize their tools. Coming in at number 4, we have the AMM 9-piece Socket Organizer. This set is a versatile and heavy-duty option for serious tool enthusiasts. It features 3 organizers for quarter-inch drives, 3 for 3/8-inch drives, and 3 for half-inch drives, holding a total of 129 sockets. The removable end cap design allows you to add or remove clips as needed, making it highly customizable. One of the highlights of the AMM organizer is its robust ABS plastic construction. It's built to withstand heavy usage, and it can accommodate both deep and shallow sockets in SAE and metric sizes. The color-coded design, blue, black, and red, makes it easy to differentiate between socket types, and the spring-loaded ball bearings on each clip keep your sockets secure. This organizer can be mounted on a wall, placed in a drawer, or used on a workbench, offering excellent versatility. However, the AMM set may not be the best option for those who prefer magnetic organizers, as it lacks this feature. Additionally, while the customization is a great perk, it requires a bit more effort compared to fixed designs. This product is ideal for professionals or hobbyists who need a durable, adaptable solution for organizing a large number of sockets. At number 3, we have the Swan Lake 18-piece Socket Organizer Set. This product is all about maximizing capacity and flexibility, with a total of 238 clips spread across the 18 rails. It includes 96 clips for quarter-inch drives, 90 clips for 3/8-inch drives, and 72 clips for half-inch drives. The removable end caps make it easy to add or remove clips, allowing you to customize each rail to suit your needs. The build quality is impressive, with heavy-duty ABS plastic construction that ensures durability. The spring-loaded ball bearings on each clip provide a secure grip on your sockets, so you don't have to worry about them slipping off. Additionally, the color-coded design helps you quickly identify SAE and metric sockets, saving you time during your projects. While the Swan Lake set offers excellent capacity and customization, it might not be the best choice for those who prefer magnetic organizers or a more compact solution. The rails are fairly long at 13.8 inches, so they might not fit in smaller toolboxes. This set is perfect for users who need to organize a large number of sockets and value the ability to customize their setup. Taking the second spot is the ECLIY 6-piece Magnetic Socket Organizer Set. This product is all about convenience and security, featuring a strong magnetic base that can attach to any steel surface. It holds up to 141 sockets, including both deep and shallow sizes for 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives. The magnetic base ensures that your sockets stay in place, even when attached to the side of a tool cart or drawer. The ECLIY organizer is made from high-quality ABS plastic, which is both durable and resistant to oils and corrosion. The design is straightforward and easy to use. Just slide your sockets into the corresponding slots, and you're good to go. This set is particularly useful for mobile work environments, as the magnetic base keeps everything secure during transport. The only downside is that the magnetic strength might not be sufficient for extremely heavy sockets, and the capacity is slightly less than some non-magnetic options. However, if you're looking for a reliable and portable solution, the ECLIY organizer is an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Swan Lake Magnetic Socket Organizer Set. This 6-piece set offers a perfect balance of capacity, convenience, and build quality. It can hold up to 143 sockets, including both shallow and deep sizes for 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives. The set includes 3 blue trays for metric sockets and 3 red trays for SAE sockets, making it easy to distinguish between the two. What sets this product apart is its magnetic base, which keeps your sockets securely in place while also preventing scratches on your tools and surfaces, thanks to the rubberized coating. The legible size markings on each tray make it easy to find the socket you need, and the overall design is compact enough to fit in most toolboxes or drawers. While the Swan Lake set is slightly heavier than some non-magnetic options, it more than makes up for it with its secure storage and excellent organization. This product is ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who want a high-quality, reliable solution for keeping their sockets organized and easily accessible. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect socket organizer for your needs. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.